Hello and welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably fed up with how can I put this? Microsoft's intrusive AI product, also known as Microsoft Copilot. I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to completely remove Copilot from your system with one simple command via PowerShell. As always with Microsoft, they're trying to force AI onto people and not giving them the simple option of opting out of AI tools. Unfortunately, it looks like AI is here to stay for the time being. I have seen other videos in which you can update the registry keys to disable Copilot, but this didn't work for me. I have no interest in Copilot, and I want it completely removed from my system. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to remove Copilot from your system. But it's worth noting that any future Windows updates will probably reactivate Copilot, but you should just be able to rerun this command to remove it again. Here's what you're going to do. Open up PowerShell as an administrator. You go to the Start menu, open up PowerShell, and you want to right-click, Run as administrator. Yes. And what you're going to do is you're going to run the following command. Got it just here, just to make things easier. And what I'll do is I'll copy and paste this into the video description, so it's easier for you to have access to it. So, I'm just going to paste that there. Then I'm going to hit enter to process the command. And there we go. If the files have been successfully removed, you shouldn't see any output, just like you can see there. And then for the changes to be applied, we're going to have to restart the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Restart. After your computer is rebooted, you should be able to see that the Copilot icon has disappeared here. And if you search for Copilot, it won't come up anymore. It still shows here in the top right, but that if you click that, it'll take you to the web browser version of Copilot. As I said earlier in the video, future Windows updates may reverse this and enable Copilot again. But if this happens, just run the PowerShell command again and restart your device. If this has worked for you, please let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.